Welcome to our lesson about the Chamfer tool. First, let's delete the curvature analysis that I'd used in my previous lesson. As you see, it's still here in the graphic area, and we see it here too in our tree. Curvature on. To toggle it off, just right-click and select Analysis Visibility. Or we can right-click on the item and select Delete. Let's also delete Fillet 6. Right-click, Delete. Now let's activate the Chamfer tool. The first option here is the distance option, currently set to 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to click the edge to which I'd like to apply the chamfer and then click Apply. Chamfer 1 appears as a feature in my design tree. The next chamfer method is distance and angle. The first thing to do is select a face. Then we'll select an edge. Once again, we can specify the distance as well as the angle. Let's say 60 degrees and apply. The third option is distance. Let's select this edge. And now let's specify the distance. Click here to flip the direction if needed. Let's apply and cancel out of the chamfer tool. Now let's select these 3 chamfers and delete them. Let's apply a fillet to this edge here. It'll be 1/4 of an inch radius, 0.25. Apply and cancel out of the fillet tool. Now let's activate the chamfer tool. Let's expand the editor. Here we've got the option to use a single edge or tangent edges. When tangent edges is selected and I mouse over an edge, we see all tangent edges are highlighted in the graphic area. When I select the single edge chain option, only the edge I'm currently mousing over is highlighted. I selected this edge here. Here's the preview. Let's apply and cancel out of the tool. And let's delete chamfer 4 as well. Activate the chamfer tool again. Expand the editor. Let's use the distance method. The last option we'll examine is setback and no setback. Let's select these 3 edges here, 2 and the 3rd. And here we see the difference between using the setback and here's no setback. Let's click Apply and cancel out of the tool. Double-click on Chamfer 5 to open the editor again. Let's see the setback option. Click OK. And this concludes our lesson about the chamfer command.